Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to HubSpot. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe before we get started. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's tools and features. After you're logged in, look at the top of your screen and click on the gear icon. This is your settings button, and it's where you'll find all the configuration options for your HubSpot account. Clicking this will open up the settings panel where you can manage everything from your account preferences to domain connections. Now on the left side of the settings page, you'll see different sections listed. Look for the one labeled Tools. This section contains various technical settings and integrations that HubSpot offers. Once you've located the Tools section, find and click on Content. This area specifically deals with your website content, pages, and domain management. Under the Content section, you'll see an option called Domains and URLs. Click on this option. This is where HubSpot allows you to manage all your connected domains and set up new ones. It's the central hub for everything related to your website's domain configuration. Once you're in the Domains and URLs section, click on the button that says Connect Hosting Domain. This initiates the process of linking your external domain to your HubSpot account so you can use it for your HubSpot hosted content. Next, you'll need to input the URL of your domain. For example, if your domain is www.tutoriallabs.com, type that into the field provided. After entering your domain, click Next to move forward. This tells HubSpot which domain you want to connect and begins the verification process. On the next screen, you'll see a toggle button labeled Enable Automatic Redirect. Make sure this toggle is turned on. This feature automatically redirects visitors from the non-HTTPS version of your site to the secure HTTPS version, which is important for security and SEO. Once the toggle is enabled, click Next to continue. Now HubSpot will begin checking your DNS records. This process verifies that your domain is properly configured and ready to connect. You'll need to wait a moment while HubSpot completes this check. Depending on your domain provider and current DNS settings, this might take a few seconds. Once the checking process is complete, HubSpot will provide you with specific steps to follow. First, you'll need to locate your DNS record settings. To do this, log in to your domain provider's website. This could be GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or whoever you purchased your domain from. Once logged in, find your DNS record settings. The exact location of these settings varies depending on your provider, so if you're having trouble finding them, use their support resources or help documentation. Next, you'll need to update your DNS records. HubSpot will display the required datasets that you need to copy. These typically include CNAME records or A records with specific values. Copy each of these datasets exactly as they appear and paste them into the proper record fields on your domain provider's site. It's important to be precise here because even small errors can prevent your domain from connecting properly. Keep in mind that it takes some time for name servers to update across the internet, so don't worry if changes don't take effect immediately. After you've added all the required DNS records at your domain provider's site, return to HubSpot and click Verify. HubSpot will check whether the DNS records have been properly configured. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a confirmation message along with an estimated wait time for the name servers to fully propagate. And that's it, your domain is now connected to HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.